Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is June the 20th, 2018, and I wanted to show you some of the damage that happened in our one corn patch. First we had the turkeys pulling the corn out, and then the raccoons started on it, and they've pretty much devastated and destroyed this corn patch, so we had to go back through and we had to replant it. And they pulled out the little stalks to eat the corn seed off of the end, and they were trying to pull out the big stalks. They busted these here off, and this one here they broke down, so we had to replant it. And well, this is the third time. You can see the damage here that they did. And this is the third time we've had to replant it. We had to replant it after the turkeys, and we had to replant some after the cold and the rain. It rotted some of the seeds, and then now we had to replant it because of the raccoons. So what we're going to try and do is we're going to turn a radio on, and we're going to let that play. And yeah, if you have neighbors around, you know, don't do that because you don't want to disturb your neighbors. So we'll be turning the radio up. We turn it up against, and we play hard rock music because it seems to help keep them away. And if you have neighbors, please don't do that. So the purpose of the music is for the critters to think that something is around, and it's supposed to try and help keep them away. We did use it last year, and so hopefully it'll work again this year for us. We've never had them come after the crop this early before, so not 100% sure why they're coming after it so early, but we're hoping the radio keeps them away. And another thing that you can do is we plant pumpkins. We have an heirloom crookneck pumpkin that's been passed down through our family that we plant in with our corn to try and help keep the raccoons out of it. Raccoons like to be able to see, and the pumpkins get so big that it makes it more difficult for them to do that. Now these are just small and they're starting off.
But they get spinies like that too.
And we have more coming up. And another thing that the pumpkins do is the leaves are jaggy. So that's something else that can help try and keep the coons away. So I just wanted to add that in for you. Coons are pretty, but they can be very destructive, especially if they get into your corn patches. And that's what they have chosen to do. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and hope you have a nice day. Bye.